Did you have a new story time today? Hello, this is a curious mother. I wrote a Facebook almost 3 years ago that I would become a famous product. At the time, I wasn't sure about literature, art, and video production. Everyone in the neighborhood laughed. I gave myself face that every time I do. Because I believe myself, I have lived in 1994. I've lived my life until now. My second home is definitely. At the same time as the writing, I write my life every day, take videos and learn about Gumi. I was an experience and practice to write poem and video again and write my own writing. When I was encouraged, I record 1 hour a day for almost a year to record the voice of the video. To make another 1 minute videos of just a few. Till I realized my voice was in my voice. I studied to something before making the videos, and making the videos started something too. That like a student to starting at school. We started our videos take 3 years ago. Because there are about 3,000 videos taken the last year. Living like a feeling of their daily changing life, a day of curious murder, finished like this. Thank you for listening. Have a comfortable tonight. Bye.